Hey, this is Braden with Vogt RV, here to show you the new 2026 Jayco Seismic 413. Let's get in there and take a look. This is the new 2026 Jayco Seismic 413. For the 413 model, we actually have a new factory where we even got a bigger garage than we did before. I'm in the living room here. You can see we've moved away from the vinyl furniture, and we now have a cloth-based furniture with a Scotch guard in it. So it's still super RV compatible. You're not going to worry about the dogs, the kids, the messes that get on it. It wipes right up. But the biggest thing is you're never going to worry about this peeling or ripping up over time like you see in those old used RVs. We also have a new sound system you can see right here in the Jayco Seismic. It's an MB Quart sound system. It's a dual zone system, so you can have your radio playing in your living room or out on your party deck, or your TV in here or out there can play through that sound system as well. We also have an electric fireplace right here. Up top we have the Jayco handcrafted by the Amish cabinetry. It's all real wood doors and drawers, all screwed and glued, no staples. You get nice storage in our living room for a media cabinet. Also with the new cloth couch, we do have heated massaging theater seats on the edges. So these two on the outside, they're just like those plug-in theater seats you see in the luxury fifth wheels. This is a kitchen in the Jayco Seismic 413. For 2026, we got these new deep farmhouse sinks. It's got 2 sources of water in it and a glass cleaner. We also have a drop-down soap dispenser, and right here is a handy little tool that opens and closes your drain for you, so you don't have to reach down into the sink, maybe get through those gross food bits to open up your drain again. We got GE profile microwave and stove, so we got name brands in here. And over here we got an RV Everchill fridge. It's a 12-volt refrigerator. You can be comfortable that that will always be running on your unit as long as you've got batteries. We also have solar on board to make sure those batteries stay charged. Here you can see a pamphlet about the Dexter tow assist system that this RV comes standard with. It's an awesome system that has anti-lock braking and makes sure that you don't have any sway while you're going down the road and towing that fifth wheel. Just like I was showing you in the living room, we have plenty of doors, drawers, and cabinets in a Jayco kitchen. And it's all real wood doors and drawers, all deep and plywood backed cabinetry. So you don't have to worry about that sagging or not being built to stand. You can come and you can hang on these cabinets and pull on it, and it's not going anywhere on you. The fridge is a nice big fridge. We got a 16 cubic foot refrigerator with 2 freezer drawers in this thing. And like I said before, that's a 12-volt refrigerator, so you don't have to mess with any of your propane gas or anything. It's all running off of your batteries and solar system. Now we're in the garage of this Jayco Seismic. We got a new 14-foot length garage in here because the Jayco factory actually is expanded where they have more space to build these Seismics. I have this thing in hall mode, so we have the seats in the bed lifted all the way up so you can see the full size of the garage. Something else to pay attention to while you're in the garage, so you can see I have a thermostat here because the garages come standard with a 3rd AC. All of those ACs have soft starts in them standard from the factory, so I can run all 3 air conditioners in this unit just off of my generator. The 413 also has a half bath standard, and what's convenient about that is built into the house of the unit, not the garage. So we shut this door and there's not a bathroom that is sticking out into your garage and taking up space for those toys that you want to bring along with you. We also have a bunk space up here. You might think that it's only this space right here, but I actually have a second bunk that goes all the way above this bathroom, so you can sleep a lot of people in here or have additional storage space. This garage is super robust too. We're on a MORride 3000 suspension to make sure you have a really smooth ride, and they put 4,000-pound leaf springs underneath this garage to make sure that you don't have to worry about the weight of anything that you're hauling back here. We are also prepped for washer and dryer in the garage of this unit, so if you wanted to add a stackable washer and dryer unit, they'd go right here. Here's a bathroom in your Seismic 413. You get a really spacious single bath in this unit. This shower's got an absolute ton of space in it to move around. All Jayco showers are plywood bottomed, where a lot of other manufacturers use what's called a floating shower. The reason that's important is this can hold a lot of weight. You don't have that sinking feeling when stepping in. And we don't have to worry about that shower pan separating from the wall over time. You have plenty of storage space in this unit as well, with lots of doors and drawers under your cabinets in here. And you have a medicine cabinet that opens up for you to store anything you need in there. We also have a Suburban on-demand water heater in this unit with your control board sitting in the bathroom. It's a 60,000 BTU on-demand endless tankless hot water heater. Now we're in the bedroom of the Jayco Seismic. So you can see we've got the third air conditioner on the ceiling here. It's a fully ducted air conditioner, 13.5 thousand BTUs, gonna keep you nice and cool in this bedroom. We still got the real wood cabinetry, nice and deep cabinets for your bedroom. You got plugs on either side of the bed. We also have a backing right here for you to be able to put a television that can swing out over your bed on this north to south bed. If we look over on the side, we do have a slide in the bedroom. It's for our wardrobe, so you get nice closet space in this unit as well. All right, on the outside of this Jayco Seismic 413, let's take a look at the amenities that we have. We're prepped for side cameras and a rear camera. That's something we can easily add at the dealership for you. If you look under the nose, I've got a 6,000 watt gas generator. Now that can run all 3 air conditioners on this unit simultaneously because now they come standard with soft starts in them. If we follow around to the other side, we can take a look at our storage. I got an LP tank on either side of the unit, 40 pounds of LP in each side, so we got 80 pounds. Here's our Dexter tow assist. So that actually has an odometer on it, sway mitigation, and anti-lock braking system. All right, so here we've got our pass-through storage system and our integrated wet bay. We got a hot, cold shower right here, our one-touch electric auto leveling system. If you take a peek up inside, you can see we've got our inverter that comes standard on the unit and our Nuvo whole house water filtration system. That's a 3-stage water filter that filters every faucet in the house for you. Coming back down here, we've got another pass-through storage. So you got lots of space for all of your stuff in this unit. And I forgot to mention right here, if we take a look, we got our 60,000 BTU tankless on-demand water heater on board. Coming around to the back, we can take a look at, we've got the ladder so you can easily access your roof. We also got a gas tank on this unit so you can fill it up. So when you're on the road and you take your side-by-side or any of your toys out, you can use your Jayco Seismic to fill those things up and get you back on the road. The Seismic is a floor plan that has 2 party decks also. So this is your rear ramp that's got an awning over it for whenever you're putting a toy into the garage. You can also have it set where it just sits as a back porch and somewhere for you guys to hang out with the glass doors. Really, really comfortable out by the lake. Coming back around to the camping side of the unit is where we see that we have that second party deck. And that comes standard from the factory with Bluetooth speakers on it and a television and a couple awnings on the side for your convenience. Thank you for checking out our video on the new 2026 Seismic today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here. If you want to check out any of our other inventory, one of these great RVs we have on our lot, feel free to check out our website here as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to check out our next video.